Reverse! Forward! An Espanol! Pause! Snoopy button off. Continue regular forward.
We'll have to hack into the cameras. Let me use my iPad to give us.
You check that out of the library?
They give us this white-collar present.
The insensitive button.
Bitch.
Reverse!
Bitch.
Forward with a less awful expletive.
Dude.
Well, that's just really rude. Jerk.
Pansy.
Insensitive. Pause. Insensitive button off. Fast forward. Continue forward in the gollum button.
But we shouldn't escape. They want us to stay. Yes, we should escape. But we should stay. Shut up! Shut up! We need the fishes. They're nasty and tricksy. We hate you. We hate you.
Gollum button off. 9-inch nails button.
I want to get out of here like an animal.
I'm tired of feeling on the inside.
We need to stay here like a hole in the head.
I want to do movies now. Screw this. What if David Fincher will hire me?
Pause. 9-inch nails button off. Continue forward in the karate button.
Lost! Look! A god! That was easy.
Reverse.
That was easy.